What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel HVACroom.com. In this video I'm going to talk about the other factors that is going to affect the sound level and noise criteria in HVAC industry. So other than velocity and duct sizes that we talked in the last video, the fittings are very important also. Fitting can play an important role in increasing or decreasing the sound levels. Elbows is one of them. So you can see the poor design to the best from left to the right. For the elbows, we're gonna try to go with full radius elbow, or if you wanna go with wider elbows, you gotta install the turning vanes. This guy and this guy can be noisy and also can increase the pressure drop of the system. The second one is the takeoffs. Again, from the noisiest to the best design, you can see these figures from left to the right. And most of the time, you got to go with these two guys with balancing dampers on each branch. The third one is the offsets. For this one, if you can offset it with turning vanes or with some angles like 15 to 45 degree, it's going to be the best. And as far as the transition and reducer, you're going to follow this that we are seeing here. For the T's, again, from the noisiest to the best design, you can see from left to the right. Most of the time, you want to go with this guy. If you don't have enough space in ceiling to provide full radius elbows for the T, the best option is installing the turning vanes. This can be noisy and also the pressure drop is high. And lastly, I'm going to talk about the sound traps or sound silencers or sound attenuators. This equipment is placed in supply or return or maybe exhaust duct to reduce the noise, and in each system based on the air volume and velocity and also duct sizes. This equipment can be selected from the catalog. For the correct insertion losses, rock wool insulation or EPDM polymer insulation is commonly used to absorb sound. For example, you are looking at the sound level data for air handling unit, and at 63 Hertz we have 85 dB, at 125 Hertz we have 82, and so on. If you want to decrease these numbers by another 5 dB, by another 10 dB, you got to install one of these sound silencers, which is going to be installed on the supply duct or on the return duct. And based on how much pressure drop you are adding to the system and how big the unit is, you can increase the dB. For example, from 85 to 80 or from 85 to 75. But please remember, the lower that dB goes, the pressure drop of this unit goes higher. So that's another thing that you might consider, how much pressure drop you are going to add to the external aesthetic pressure of the system. I hope the video is useful for you guys. If you like it, please share with your friends.